Hello and welcome to the Streamline and Shine podcast. Our family virtual assistant agency's absolute passion is helping time-poor female entrepreneurs with those ridiculously long to-do lists, because we all know how they get longer instead of shorter. We're going to be covering topics from social media to marketing, systems and processes to outsourcing, and so much more, so that you can see what's possible for you and your business. Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Streamline and Shine podcast. And today I'm here to talk to you about financial management as a business owner. So I've been a business owner for over 4 years now, and I've worked in finance in my current role in my day job. So have learned a few things along the way. However, that does not make me a bookkeeper or accountant. So all of the advice that I'm going to give you today is my own. It's not because I'm qualified in any way. So the biggest single piece of advice that I will give you today is to use accounting software. Personally, I use Xero for our business, and although I have a bit of experience with bookkeeping, I find this really easy to use. They do an offer a lot of the time where you can get your first 6 months for just £5, which is an absolute steal for financial software. There are others, such as QuickBooks, which will do the exact same for you. So you just need to find the right one for you. But if you're not confident enough to use accounting software, which is perfectly fine, you do have a couple of other options. So you could use a good old-fashioned spreadsheet for your income in and outgoings, or you can get a bookkeeper to do the work for you, depending on your budget. So if you're not sure of the way that would work best for you, I highly recommend speaking to a bookkeeper to get professional advice, because as I said, I'm not a bookkeeper. So having an overview of your business finances is something that you should absolutely know about. You need to be able to understand what offers you need to be selling in order to reach your financial goals, and create new offers and services to do the same. Your profit and loss should also be in your mind's eye, so that you're able to ensure you're sticking to your budget and that you'll increase your profit year on year. Now, you obviously need this information for your tax return too, so it's a good idea to keep yourself in the loop. As I said, if finance and numbers really aren't your thing, it's perfectly okay to a certain extent. If it's not your thing to understand how to work out your profit and loss, your budgets and outgoings, but you can get a bookkeeper to help you keep track of all of these and keep you updated with how your finances are going. What you do need to understand though is the forecasting, what your projections are and where your business is headed financially, what your financial targets are and what you need to do to reach them. So it is something that every business owner absolutely needs to understand as a minimum, is your projections. It's perfectly fine to outsource if it's not your cup of tea. Numbers aren't for everyone, and that's fine. But you should have an overview of how things are heading in your business as the business owner. So it is a very quick one from me today, and that is all for this episode, and I hope it's been helpful for you. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. And until then, keep streamlining and shining. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Streamline and Shine. If you have questions on what we covered inside, please feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at bolton_virtual_solutions, or you can email us at teambolton@boltonvirtualsolutions.co.uk. We absolutely love hearing from our amazing community and are always here to support you. If you'd like to be interviewed on a future episode, please drop us an email letting us know which topic you'd like to speak about, and we'll get back to you. See you on the next episode, lovelies. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Streamline and Shine. If you have questions on what we covered inside, please feel free to reach out to us on Instagram at bolton_virtual_solutions, or you can email us at teambolton@boltonvirtualsolutions.co.uk. We absolutely love hearing from our amazing community and are always here to support you. If you'd like to be interviewed on a future episode, please drop us an email letting us know which topic you'd like to speak about, and we'll get back to you. See you on the next episode, lovelies.